You are good to go. You can start the interview.
Cool. Hello, everyone. So I'm RJ Ayushi from Fever FM Hyderabad. I host the evening show here. So a big hi and congratulations to the team. Tufan gets billboard in Times Square. So congratulations, guys.
Thank you, Ayushi.
And yes, we also have Niharika Gunala with us. Niharika Gunala, who's an international,
Yes.
boxer with us, who's joined us here from Telangana. Hi, Niharika. Niharika, can you hear us?
Hi Niharika.
No, can Niharika hear us?
Hello. Yes,
Hi,
I
can
can
you
hear.
hear us? Hi, nice to
Hi.
meet you.
Yeah.
Super, super. So I am truly excited. I mean, I was watching the entire press conference. I was watching you guys. I just want to begin with Farhan. Farhan, you should know this that when Rock On released, I was in my college and I was literally punished for bunking and watching this movie, and I was not allowed inside the college for a week.
Wow,
Just
amazing. Same pinch. Even I was in college when Rock On was made, and I used to bunk to go to shoot, and then I was thrown out of college. So
oh, then we share the same pain.
absolutely
I'm
same
so
journey during Rock On years.
and it's so amazing
But
that I'm talking
thank
to
you very much.
you. I'm talking to you right here. I mean, I've seen the trailer. I just want to tell you guys that it's so thrilling. Whenever I watch it, there's a vibration inside me, and it gives me that motivation wala feeling. So congratulations to all of you for making such amazing movie, which is releasing day after tomorrow. So how's the feeling, the gut feeling, that it's gonna release very soon?
It's excitement really, yeah. Just very excited. We've all worked very hard to put this film together. There honestly is. I mean, when you talk about putting blood, sweat, and tears together to make something, I mean this really is it. So just very excited, very charged, very thankful that we have Amazon Prime Video at a time like this when theaters are shut, that we can still take a film out and reach out to so many millions of people across the world on the same day, and just share this incredible experience that we've all had the honor of putting together. I really would like to know from Niharika if she's seen the trailer, what she feels, and how she feels about a boxing film that's about to come out soon.
I, I've seen the trailer. I'm very excited about the movie because not much movies are made on boxing, and I want to know the story. I'm very curious after watching the trailer.
Well, very soon you'll see it, Niharika. And we'd love to hear from
Yeah.
you. As a boxer,
Yeah.
I'd love to hear from you as to what you feel and what you think.
Niharika is very close to
And
the endeavor you're going through right now.
yeah.
You're going to bounce back, and like how after your shoulder injury. And this film is also about that life
Yeah.
knock you down, but you got to bounce back, whether you're in the ring or out of the ring. In the ring of life, also,
I'll see.
you get so many blows. Yeah.
So Niharika,
Yes.
since you are also here with us, and Farhan ji hai yahan par, we have Mrinal, we have Rakesh ji also. So you've seen the trailer, and you are the real hero actually. So is there anything that you want to ask them? It's not any one question that you want to ask.
I want to ask, like, it's very hard to get into a character, and the way Farhan sir does it, like, it's very good. Like, I've seen his movies. He totally gets into the character, and I like that about him. So I want to know, like, how did he do it?
Well, you honestly, especially when it comes to sport films, you need inspiration, and you can only take inspiration from real life athletes and real life heroes and real life sports people, because you're going to be portraying, like I'm going to be portraying them on screen. I'm going to represent what you stand for. I'm going to represent your discipline, and it's important to me that when you see the film, and when other boxers who represent their states, their districts, their divisions, and our country, when they see the film, that they should feel proud of how their sport is represented, and that hopefully through this film people can understand how difficult the journey is, especially when it comes to a sport like boxing. because it's a very demanding sport. It tests you physically, mentally, emotionally, on all fronts. But at the same time, it takes a special kind of courage and a special kind of focus to be good at it, you know, and to succeed at it is a whole other level. So I mean, I just hope that comes through, and I take inspiration from the fact that I represent you people. That's what I take it from.
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग सो राकेश जी मेरा सवाल अब आपसे है राकेश जी मैं आपको बता दूं कि मेरा जो शो है that is very much inspired by you Rang De Basanti the show name itself is Lose Control and already you know people are losing their control trailer देखने के बाद so इस फिल्म के बारे में आप पर्सनली क्या फील करते हैं और क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर
Personally, क्या feel? Personally, I feel very grateful that I got this opportunity to be a part of this film, to be the part of the process when the amazing writers were writing this film. The idea did come from Farhan, but then the writers took it forward. Anjum sir, Vijay, and it was amazing working with them. As such, so and then finally watching the whole preparation for this film. So like Farhan was saying earlier, and Niharika will tell you, it's a lifetime that goes into when you prepare for a discipline, for a sport, and especially a sport like boxing, which is a contact sport. And he had to learn it from ABC, so watching it at very close quarters, every day there was like 3 hours of camp in the morning, 2 hours in the evening. Watching everybody train was, it was deeply moving. Inside something shifted in you also, because you would see all this going on, and then you would go back and work harder on the script, harder on the locations, harder on each and every word spoken and all that, and try to craft the film as best as possible. So the journey was very interesting, very inspiring. Personally, I do feel, and there's a contradiction here. I do feel I have grown, but I've also grown younger. So, which is very interesting. You know, you feel that this film I should have made as my debut film, but it feels like it's my first film. So I'm seeing so many things. I'm really excited. Yeah.
सर आपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि तूफान इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ रंग दे बसंती एंड भाग मिल्खा भाग
जी
सो इसके बारे में सर एक बार आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे फिर से
it was spoken in spirit, in the sense ki the kind of satisfaction I got during Rang De Basanti and Bhag Milkha Bhag, if I combine both of them, the process, I'm not talking about the results. I've enjoyed that process. You know, if you both of them are equal to my feelings I have for Tufan in terms of the journey I've gone through, and it's incredible journey it's been. Yeah.
Super. Thank you so much, sir. And yes, coming to Mrinal, I must tell you, I mean, your growth feels so personal. The way you're evolving in the industry, it feels so personal and amazing. And finally, you're working with Farhan Akhtar ji, you're working with Rakesh ji. So, आपका character हमने देखा है trailer में, it's very supporting. So, how do you feel playing it? You know,
there are very rare characters like Ananya which are written, especially, you know, she's independent, she's liberal, she's a doctor, and I feel like after the release of Tufan, all the filmmakers must write roles like Ananya, because she's not just the motivator or like, you know, she just doesn't motivate Ajju, but also I feel like there's so much life. She's the soul of the film, you know. The character graph, if you ask me, when I read the script, I was really scared whether I'll be able to play this girl or not, because she comes across very strong. But Mrinal, in my head, I was like, I was self-doubting. I was doubting myself. But then I realized that that's why this character is very special. I want to make sure that I want to reach out to all the Ananyas in the world, or to all the girls out there or the boys out there who need that one push. You need that one character in your life, one person in your life who would always support you, guide you, and bring out the best in you. So I'm very thankful to the writers and Rakesh sir for giving me this opportunity, because having the faith that he had in me, he trusted me with this character, and which is very important. This is a very, very important character, and somewhere down the line I feel like I did not choose the character chose me. uh, and the beautiful thing about Ananya is she is, no matter how many pain, no matter what she's gone through in her life, there's, like Sir mentioned earlier, there's wound, there's pain, but how she wants to bring out the best, how she wants to channelize everything, all the negative stuff that is happening in her life in a positive way. And I take immense pride, because there are very rare people who are brave enough to introduce, like how Ananya introduces a Jew bhai to Aziz Ali. It takes a lot of courage. So, and I'm sure that in Niharika's life also there must be one Ananya who must have pushed her to become a boxer. And I would really like to know about her. Who is
Yes.
that one person who encouraged you, who introduced you to boxing? I would really, really like to hear that from you.
Sister.
For me, my mother is the person who has boxing. I was a volleyball player. So, but now both my parents are like Ananya to me, because they support me a lot. They're like everything, what all I've gone through, they have been with me. They are always supportive. Whenever, and all my ups and downs, they're with me. They always give me courage that I can do it.
So yeah, exactly. There are points where I
And
did actually want to
I
give up. Yeah, sorry. Continue.
no, I'm very happy that I have very supportive parents like them, that even when I was on the verge of giving up, they have never lost faith in me, and they have always pushed me.
Exactly, just like your parents, I think Ananya is somebody who will always keep reminding Aziz,
Yeah.
remember why you started. There
Yes.
is there's a beautiful message, and I can't wait for you
Yeah.
to watch the movie. I would like you to watch the movie before, before the day you're about to compete, and I'm sure that this film will motivate you. And yeah,
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I mean, Faranti,
Yes,
everyone,
ma'am, sure.
yeah.
Thank you.
So, Farhan, everyone has been asking you about your body transformation. I don't want to bore you with the same question, but I definitely want to understand. I mean, that fact to fit transformation and gyms were shut during the lockdown. So, ये कैसे manage हुआ?
We finished shooting, fortunately, roughly about 3 to 4 days before the first lockdown was announced. 17th of March 2020 was our last day of shoot. 21st of March was the first day of lockdown. The only, for me personally, what I had to battle with was we finished shooting where I was in the most out of shape part of the role that I had to be in. And I had this plan that the minute we finish shooting, the next 3 months or 4 months will be dedicated to getting back into the gym and losing all that weight. But that wasn't possible because like you said, all the gyms were shut.
Yeah.
We were not even allowed to go out onto the streets for a jog. You couldn't go cycling because the police would send you back home. So anything that I could
Yeah.
do, I could only really do either on the terrace of the place that I live, or that in that little compound, because Mumbai is it's a city that doesn't offer you too much space to do things. So I just
Yes.
had to do with what it was. So that
Yes.
was a difficult time, because whatever plans I had, but in terms of the larger scheme of things, my plans of only losing weight were much smaller than many other plans that had to be realigned for many people, in terms of what they had going for their lives, for their families, for their futures. So in that perspective, I think everything was all right. But I mean, on a personal, small personal level, that was a little bit of a hurdle to get over when the lockdown happened.
Superb, superb. Thank you. Okay, so since we just have 5 to 6 minutes, go more, and I have a quick Tufani rapid fire round for 4 of you. Quick answers. So, are you guys ready for it, including Niharika?
Oh wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get a yes? Okay, cool. So the rapid fire round starts like this. So since my show name is Lose Control, so one thing that loses your control, starting with Farhan.
What makes me lose control?
Yes.
Honestly speaking, really good cake.
Cool. Renal?
I think music, if there is any song play, I would just lose my control and start dancing and not care about who's watching me. I would start the Bharati dance.
That's just like me. Okay. Rakesh ji, yeah.
My friends, they,
Beautiful.
even the memory of their names, that I lose control. I lose focus, lose control, lose everything.
Perfect. Niharika, what about you?
Internet is a little slower.
Yes,
My
it's
mother has
lagging.
made biryani. Mother.
Sorry?
My mother cooks very delicious biryani. My mother cooks very delicious biryani whenever, like, I can't.
Perfect. I got that Hyderabadi biryani feel
We
totally.
really look forward to
All right. So,
coming to your house uninvited and eating something.
Eat some biryani, I know, and lose control.
Yes, sir, sure.
yeah. Okay. So the next question is एक तूफान जिसको जो आपके अंदर चल करना चाहते हैं.
No, we're losing your voice. We can't hear you.
Are you sure? The moments they freeze at me.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Okay. Perfect. एक तूफान जो आपके अंदर चल रहा हो जिसको आप शांत करना चाहते हैं फरहान.
जो मेरे अंदर नहीं, मैं किसी भी तूफान को शांत नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. It's very important कि जो तूफान आपके अंदर है, you should actually feed it more because that gives you fuel to kind of go out there and do things that you didn't think were possible.
Runal.
मैं खुद एक तूफान हूँ, मुझे शांत करना है.
वाह. राकेश जी.
अभी तो मैं सोचता था एक तूफान है, अभी दो तूफान हो गए. दो तूफान है जो तूफानी स्पीड से, तूफानी अंदाज से तूफान मचा देंगे 16 जुलाई को.
क्या बात, क्या बात. निहारिका.
There's nothing.
So
Okay. No problem, no problem. Okay. And now. So tell me, जैसे कि boxing में jab is a very important technique, yet basic but important. तो फरहान, आप अपनी life में whom do you want to jab at?
Yeah.
No, nobody. In my life, I don't want to jab at anyone. But you're absolutely right that the jab is the foundation of boxing. This, I mean, Niharika will know way better than me. But I was taught this by my trainer and by my instructor and the choreographer that the first step towards
Yes.
being a good boxer is to perfect your jab.
Niharika, why don't you show us a jab?
Yeah.
It looks like her internet is lagging.
Me? Okay.
Okay.
And you should be diagonal, guard up, and whenever you're throwing a jab, you should step. And you should always snap your forearm. It's just snap out, snap in.
Yeah.
Super. Thank you, Niharika. Thank you. Okay, and something that you guys love about.
I've thought of one thing. मैं कोरोना वायरस को जैब करना चाहता हूँ.
यार ये सुन
और मैं चाहता हूँ कि सारे लोग डबल जैब करें.
डबल जैब करें। तो मृणाल, आप किनको जैब करना चाहेंगी?
That was supposed to be my answer.
I read her
You
mind.
stole it.
Yeah, but the first dishum goes to all the sweets, food, khana. Like your show's name, I lose control. So I would like to just like anyone who brings.
That hand, huh? That hand.
That can't right now because of this. Yeah. So and the second one I was about to say, you all must get 2 jabs. Get yourself vaccinated, guys, because
Absolutely.
we need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very important. Yeah.
राकेश जी, आप बताइए किसको जैब करना चाहेंगे आप?
जी मैं तो अपने आप को ही जैब करना चाहता हूँ all the time. कि शीशे में देखता हूँ तो लगता है अरे एक और गलती की, इसी को मार जैब कर रहा हूँ.
So
परफेक्ट। और अब क्योंकि मुझे बोल दिया गया रैप अप करने के लिए, सबसे लास्ट और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इस इंटरव्यू का, तो फरहान जी आपसे शुरू करते हैं कि आपको आरजे आयुषी से बात करके कैसा लगा?
बहुत ही तूफानी.
Thank you so much. It was lovely interacting with you, Farhan. It was like a dream come true, definitely.
Oh, please, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
Pleasure's
you.
all ours.
मृणाल, आप बताइए आरजे
All
आयुषी
the
से
best,
बात
Niharika.
Niharika, all the best.
All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You are bouncing back और तूफान
Thank you,
मचा.
sir. Sure, sir.
super guys. Take care and all the best for the movie.
Thank you, Ashi.
Thank you.
Take care, Niharika.
Thank you, ma'am. All the best for your movie, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, home look.